good morning my children. Now I will to tell you about the mouse deer against the tiger. Oke anak-anak, Ibu akan menceritakan ke kalian tentang kancil melawan harimau. One sunny morning on a Sunday, the mouse deer was engrossed in morning run. He is intended to visit a meadow on the edge of the forest. Pada suatu pagi yang cerah, di hari Minggu, si kancil sedang asik berlari-lari pagi. Ia berniat untuk mengunjungi padang rumput di pinggir hutan. Fresh air and clear sky is very pleasant to enjoy. Rarely can he saw a white and blue sky in the middle on the dense forest is his village. Udara yang segar dan langit yang cerah sangat menyenangkan untuk dinikmati. Jarang bisa melihat langit yang biru dan luas di tengah-tengah hutan yang lebat di desanya. Even before dusk, the sun had begun to pitch high on the horizon, a sign for the mouse deer to go home soon. The mouse deer jogged and entered the forest. Every now and then he stops to eat the young leaves that passes. Hari pun menjelang sore. Matahari sudah mulai tinggi bertengger di cakrawala. Tanda bagi si kancil untuk segera pulang ke rumah. Si kancil pun berlari-lari kecil dan masuk ke dalam hutan. Sesekali dia berhenti untuk memakan daun-daun muda yang dia lewati. The mouse deer jogged and entered the forest. Every now and then he stopped to eat the young leaves that passes. Suddenly, he was struck by a very loud and scary growl until his whole body trembled. Si kancil pun berlari-lari kecil dan masuk ke dalam hutan. Sesekali dia berhenti untuk memakan daun-daun muda yang ia lewati. Tiba-tiba, dia dikejutkan oleh suara geraman yang sangat keras dan menyeramkan, hingga seluruh tubuhnya gemetar dibuatnya. Then the saw a big and dashing tiger running in the front on him. Feelings of shock and fear pervade the mouse deer heart. He realized that the body with brindles, long nails, and fangs sharp in front of him is a tiger. Lalu dia melihat seekor harimau yang besar dan gagah sedang menyeringai di depannya. Perasaan terkejut dan takut meliputi hati si kancil. Dia sadar bahwa tubuh sedang corak belang-belang, kuku yang panjang, dan taring yang tajam di depannya adalah harimau. He is the ruler of the entire forest that is famous for being cruel and likes to act as the does. Mouse deer is aware that his life is in danger, but not the mouse if he runs out any ideas. Dia adalah raja penguasa seluruh hutan yang terkenal sangat kejam, serta suka bertindak semena-mena. Kancil sadar kalau hidupnya dalam bahaya, tapi bukan si kancil kalau sampai dia kehabisan akal. So, the mouse deer did not try to run. He kept walking, casual, pretending to lifting one of his hind legs. Maka si kancil pun tidak berusaha lari, dan dia tetap berjalan santai dengan pura-pura berjalan pincang, mengangkat salah satu kaki belakangnya. "Hey, little creature, don't you know me?" the tiger shouted. "I know your majesty, certainly with a strong body, nails, fangs, and body characters. Everyone recognizes your majesty." The tiger replied mouse deer humbly. "Hei makhluk kecil, apa kau tak mengenal aku?" teriak harimau. "Hamba mengenal Anda, Paduka. Tentunya dengan tubuh gagah, kuku taring, dan tubuh bercorak khas. Semua orang mengenali Paduka, Raja Loreng," jawab kancil merendah. "That means you know your life is in danger. Why don't you try to run away?" asked the tiger, furious. "No matter how fast I run, I know I will not be able to beat your speed and agility, sire. Certainly, in the end, I will be caught too, especially with the lime serpent's feet," sighed the mouse deer. "Berarti kamu tahu nyawamu dalam bahaya. Kenapa kamu tidak mencoba lari?" tanya harimau penasaran. "Secepat dan segesit apapun hamba lari, hamba tahu tak akan bisa mengalahkan kecepatan dan kegesitan Paduka. Pasti akhirnya hamba akan tertangkap juga, apalagi dengan keadaan kaki hamba yang pincang ini," kata kancil. "Ha ha ha ha. Right. You can possibly beat my speed. But isn't not fun if we don't play the cards first? I want to you run, and later I will catch you. If it's just like, there's no charm at all," begged tiger. "If that is indeed your wish, I will obey."
3.
Ha 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 ha. Benar. Kau tak mungkin bisa mengalahkan kecepatanku. Tapi tidak asik kalau kita tak main kejar-kejaran dulu. Aku mau kamu lari, dan nanti aku akan mengejarmu. Kalau cuman begini saja, gak ada tantangannya sama sekali, pinta harimau. Kalau itu memang keinginan Paduka, hamba akan turuti. But beforehand, if may ask for one request, said Mouse Deer. "Oh, please, I will not refuse the request of animals like you who will disown and become my food." "What did you ask for?" asked the tiger. "Tapi sebelumnya, jika boleh hamba minta satu permintaan," kata kancil. Oh, silahkan, aku tak akan pernah menolak permintaan hewan sepertimu yang sebentar lagi akan mati menjadi santapanku. Memangnya kamu minta apa? Tanya harimau. I only ask for help. Please help remove the thorn that stick in my legs behind me, so that I can run normally, begs the mouse deer. Ha 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 ha, that's all? All right, I'll pull the thorn from your leg. Hamba hanya minta tolong. Tolong Paduka cabutkan duri yang menancap di kaki hamba, agar hamba bisa berlari dengan normal. Pinta si kancil. Hahaha, cuma itu? Baiklah, akan kucabutkan duri dari kakimu. The tiger then lowered his head behind the mouse deer to see the thorns stuck in his hind legs. But when the tiger was bowed very low, suddenly the mouse deer kicked with all his power. Harimau pun kemudian menundukkan kepalanya di belakang kancil untuk melihat duri yang menancap di kaki belakangnya. Tapi ketika harimau itu sudah menunduk sangat rendah, tiba-tiba si kancil menendang dengan sekuat tenaga. Because of the incident, the tiger screamed in pain because one tooth was broken. And the mouse deer did not waste on the opportunity. When the tiger roared with pain, the mouse deer ran as fast the lightning and disappeared behind the bushes. Karena kejadian itu, si harimau pun berteriak kesakitan karena satu giginya patah. Dan si kancil tidak menyia-nyiakan kesempatan itu. Ketika harimau meraung-raung menahan sakit, secepat kilat kancil berlari dan menghilang di balik semak-semak. Well, from the day on the feud between the mouse deer and the tiger began. Tigers who feel their dignity trampled by the mouse deer, whole are brutier. The baying keep for long. Nah, mulai hari itulah perseteruan antara kancil dan harimau dimulai. Harimau yang merasa harga dirinya diinjak-injak oleh kancil menyimpan dendam yang terus ditahan. Thank you.